So today is June 10th, and I'm going to give you an update on my country garden. So right here, the beginning, are my potatoes. So I've got potatoes that I grew from potatoes, like seed potatoes from last year. And they are doing quite well. I just finished hilling them all. And I just finished weeding the garden. One thing I was going to show you, I actually weed my garden with a simple little shovel. And I do the whole garden that way. I always have. I just find it so much easier, and I can dig out all of the weeds, things like that. This down here, this little grassy stuff, are leeks. And I just planted those a couple days ago. Farther down is the lettuce. Again, it's not doing wonderful, but it's up. We haven't had any rain at all here in Zone 3 in Leduc County. So I'm really surprised. This is spinach down here. I'm surprised things are doing as good as they are. These are tomatoes that I planted from seed, started in the house for the most part. And if you see little things down beside them, those are actually marigolds, which are a really good companion plant for tomatoes. Then I head back to the end here. These are all cucumbers. So these are pickling cucumbers. And again, they are doing pretty good considering they're planted from seed, like direct sowed right into the ground. These are beets all the way down. This next row was supposed to be turnips, but it didn't grow. So I replaced that with some pole beans, and they're not up yet. I just planted them a couple days ago. More beets. These are green peppers, yellow peppers. And then I have a couple of jalapeno peppers that my daughter grew from seed that she gave to me. And these tiny, tiny little tomatoes, I don't even know if I can find it, wherever they are. Oh, there it is. They're basically grown. They're seedlings that came up, so I just thought I would throw them in the space where my watermelon didn't grow. This is all squash. So I have pumpkin, I think butternut squash, maybe acorn squash, and some long squash that I grew last year. I just saved the seeds and I replanted them. I added the tomatoes here, the ones that you see there. This is watermelon, not doing that wonderful. I have two. I actually planted a full row, and that's all that stayed alive. These are kind of a purple bean, so they're a little different. I've never tried these ones before, and they are called a Royal Burgundy bean from Mackenzie. So you can see the other rows of beans. These are yellow wax beans and green beans all down these rows. Then I've got three little rows of onions. I've got Spanish onions, the red onions, and some white onions. The radishes, they are coming up. These are the little bell ones. Oh, I kind of hilled them yesterday a little bit, so can't really see, but they have started. Then I've got peas. Now these peas, usually when I plant my peas, I do a double row, and then we stake the wire up in between, which we haven't put up yet. Sorry about the shadow. Anyway, I did 2 full rows, but look at this one. There's almost nothing. So I reseeded that one yesterday with more peas. Hopefully they will come up. This row is carrots, and I did use a seed tape. And you can barely see the carrots coming up. But they're coming, and it took forever. This is another row of carrots. Again, can't really see a whole lot. Now the corn, I planted 3 different types. And obviously some of them did not work. I just don't know which ones because I went and mixed the seed up, unfortunately. And I replanted carrots in between the rows of corn. And this is basically an overview just of the whole garden. Again, Zone 3, Alberta. And no rain. Been watering this by hand every day. And hopefully we'll get some soon. They keep saying it, but we haven't got any. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. I'll be doing another update probably in about 2 to 3 more weeks. Hopefully I'll have it weeded again. But for now, thanks for watching. Give it a like if you like it, and make a comment. I'd love to hear how your garden's doing. Thanks for watching.